Good afternoon, everybody. Me and my comedy partner are in St Anne's today. We're making up for all that lost time that we lost, aren't we, Chrissy?
We are.
We're making up for lost time. So it's the first time that my comedy partner has been to St Anne's for
A long time.
a long time. We're not quite sure how long, but a long time. So we've literally just got here. We've got the only parking space that there was. I'll just move my Pantechnicon. We've got our takeaway and we sat outside the shops in St Anne's. So we've been in this one here. What's it called? Bakes and Cakes, this one. And I have some delicious treats, some delicious takeaway treats. We've got little plastic cups and we've got dandelion and burdock.
Goody, goody.
Are you ready? When did you last
Watch
have?
it fizz all over
When
me.
did you last have dandelion and burdock? Are you ready?
Are you ready? It's on its way.
Now I've got that everywhere. Tissue? Brenda, have you got a tissue?
No, I'm not here.
So I said to her, I need a plastic cup because otherwise I'll be sat here until 4 o'clock trying to drink it because I'm not good at drinking fizzy pop fast. We'll open one tin
Yeah.
and then we'll see how we go on and see whether we need the other one as well.
Yeah, mother.
Yeah. So what do you think then, little girl? Are you enjoying coming out?
Oh, it's lovely.
Is it nice?
I wish I could get rid of this frog in my throat. I think I've got a couple of toads in it, actually.
Yeah, that's my pond.
See?
I think they're out of my pond. So I'll flatten that and then it doesn't fly away because there's a little bit of a breeze blowing up.
It's very, very warm.
Yes, it's very, very warm. So I might drink this in one go.
I'm waiting for her to unveil the surprise because it's a takeaway one.
Oh, that's
Because
nice.
everywhere's busy.
Yeah, everywhere's busy. There's a 5-day St Anne's Spectacular on this week in St Anne's. Funnily enough, it would be, wouldn't it?
Well, it wouldn't be Cleveland's, would it?
So we've come to St Anne's to go and partake of a little bit of entertainment. So,
Is that for you?
well, I thought we could share.
Wait, how are we going to eat that in Bed Not Eat?
I don't know. Carefully.
I asked for a cake fork, but excuse me. Oh my God! But
takeaway.
apparently, excuse me. Apparently, it's a takeaway, and they don't provide cake forks. Because I like a cake fork.
Well, you'll have to stop being so picky. I'll tell you what I'll have to do, people. I'll have to put full disposable plastic cutlery in my bag.
I've got a spoon at home from McDonald's.
Oh.
2 spoons.
And then we can we'll be prepared. We'll be prepared for every eventuality.
This is going to melt.
It is already melting. This is what we've got, look. We've got
Millionaire
a piece
shortbread.
of Millionaire's shortbread. I'll move the can. Millionaire's shortbread. And a flake cake. And apparently that's got orange fondant in the middle, which I thought sounded rather nice.
I think you'll better eat half and then I'll finish.
I'm just wondering
Oh dear.
whether I've got anything sharp in my bag. No, I've not.
No,
I've
I've
not
not.
got anything sharp in my bag, so
No.
it looks like it's going to have to be
I'm not slitting anybody's throats today then.
fingers and thumbs. So, which do you want first?
Don't know.
You don't know, right? We'll do this then, shall we? In fact, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll try and break it in half. Oh, it's all soft. I need a knife. I need a knife, people. There you go. What about that?
Lovely. What's fingerprints? Can you see fingerprints?
We know how to live, don't we? What's that like? Lovely.
Oh, that is nice.
Especially
We'll
when
into
you've,
that when we're finished.
especially when you've driven all the way from Cleveland.
Very, very nice.
That's very nice. So we've parked near the pier, which is that away, and we're going to go that away and see what's happening in Ashton Gardens. But that, dear viewers, will be on a separate video, so you'll have to subscribe to our channel and make sure that you hit that little bell for notifications, and then you'll know when we've uploaded our St Anne's adventures.
Lots of toffee.
That's lovely.
Lots
She's
of
not doing much today, is she?
No, because there's trees there.
Yeah, but
Bushes.
there's people here.
Oh,
You
look that
normally,
way.
you normally goggling.
I am. I'm busy concentrating on keeping this off my dress.
So it's a long, long time since we came to St Anne's, isn't it? I think it's quite a while before COVID started that we've last been.
Definitely.
So we're interested to see what's changed, because I believe that they've got somebody new is taking on JR Taylor's, which is the department store just sort of that way.
We used to love that. Didn't
We used to love it.
We used to love going there.
Yeah, I'm a parrot.
Bought quite a
I'm
few
still a
things.
parrot.
Go on, quite a few
I
things.
can't quite remember. I can't quite remember who they said had got it.
Somebody,
Can you remember?
Were they developing it for flats or something?
I can't remember. I know that somebody's got it to redevelop it. That's lovely.
You have to excuse our manners, but with no choice.
I'm all cracked up.
I think I'm more cacked up than you. Usually.
I don't think you are. Very wrong.
Somebody shouting help.
Ooh.
Somebody wants rescuing, you better go and save them. Oh, that's a nice cold drink. Couldn't cope with hot chocolate today, could we?
It's too warm.
It's too hot.
The temperature in the car was 29 degrees. I just nod.
With air conditioning.
And we said, didn't we? We said that there'd be a heat wave when the kids went back to school.
Usually.
Get your fingers in then and get...
I'm waiting for my next bit. I'm going to stick that up.
I'm just wondering how we're going to cut this in half.
It's melty. Do you think you'd be better
This is going to be very... I think we might be as well eating this and then
passing it on?
passing it on. Do you want to go first?
No, because I don't want much. You have biggest piece.
Oh, she's doing it again, listen. You have biggest piece.
I know,
oh,
but I
God, this
don't
is all
like
gonna
a
drop
lot
to
of
bits.
chocolate, you know, I don't.
This is a really bad choice for a really hot day.
She ain't got a brain, have you, love? Just like a dad.
Catch it quick!
Cascade!
I knew that was going to happen. Have you got any gel in your bag? Are you ready? Straight in sideways.
Oh my God. You can tell who's got a big mouth in our family, can't you?
It's really, really warm.
It says it's hot.
And it's literally dropping to bits as I'm eating it. Are you ready?
It's only a
Is
bit
it on
chocolate on a mad hot day. What do you think? Bit more, no, a bit more. You know I'm not a big chocolate cake fan. So she brings chocolate cake. Clangers.
They've got almond slice. You don't like that?
Is it orangey? It wouldn't have been as messy, would it? No, no.
so cool.
I'm doing it myself. I've kept a stuck up finger and thumb. I can't taste orange.
I prefer millionaire one,
Oh, sorry, yeah.
but that's
I
nice.
do that.
Well, I can't taste orange at all on that.
No problem.
We're absolutely
Ew.
cacked up to eyeballs.
Oh, some of them don't. You think,
A bath required. Oh,
I've
gosh.
got chocolate.
How do you
dripping
get
down
this
my
in your
phone.
mouth?
don't mention it.
Go on, straight in.
It's horrible to me, honestly.
Sideways.
I have to put up with this all day long.
I've got chocolate everywhere.
No wonder, is there?
Your fingers.
It's only a bit after to buy chocolate.
We didn't have much left.
Well, I'd have had an almond slice if it weren't chocolate.
Well, you always said that you don't like almond.
I'm not fond.
Oh, there you go then. What are you supposed to do? Bring a chocolate that melts or an almond that you don't like?
I don't dislike it to that point. I've just never been a big almond fan.
6 points now. Yeah.
You'll get every last drop, love. You'll get
I
every
am
last
doing.
drop. Get your money's worth.
Yeah. I saw it.
Get my money's worth. Parrot, parrot.
Oh, it's getting hot.
I think it's
isn't it?
boiling. I think I've managed to eat that, you'll be pleased to know, and not spill it all down my front.
And I've just got a finger and thumb still trapped up.
And I can't see that she's actually spilt down her front either. It's not that we've done that there. I think we did. I think we did quite well. That woman's looking at us as if
Yeah.
Of course you can. Yes, absolutely. She just wants the chair.
Excuse my manners, but I've got no choice but to lick this off.
Oh, that were nice. I'm very thirsty. We'll go for broke. We'll open the other one as well.
We'll be rash.
We know how to live. Just a
golly.
minute.
Sticky.
There's a bit of a gale blowing up, so I'm trying to hold on to all
How
my
old you go?
detritus.
You're alright, was it cold at the back?
I know.
It's Vesuvius.
Now I've got dandelion and burdock.
Let me
all
just have a drink before you put me some.
I'm going to want a bath by the time I've finished.
Thank you. I'll let you
She's
drink
not,
it.
she's
because-
not a big drinker.
No, but she is
And
a
I'm
big
like,
drinker.
and I'm like a sister.
Told you we've not got anything in common at all. Don't make it up, could you? I don't think she's
I'm like a
mine.
sister. And I drink and drink and drink and drink all day long.
Kevin's more
Water,
like my
pop,
son than
and
she's
tea
my
and
daughter.
things.
Isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a thing in common.
And that's really nice because I don't
It
think
is
I've had any
nice.
dandelion and burdock since Christmas.
It's nice and cold and easy. Makes you burp though.
Go on then,
I'm not.
on camera. Just a minute, viewers.
I forgot chocolate on me.
Let's just clear the jobs for it.
Honestly, it's coming to something, isn't it? When
Well, you won't want to walk around St Anne's
No,
with
wouldn't.
chocolate all over your chops, would you?
after all, I can't see myself.
Exactly.
You're sweating.
Oh,
Gosh, that's
I'm not surprised.
blazing.
It's boiling.
It's getting hotter and hotter.
Really, really warm. So, we're going to go and have a nice walk round. We're going to have a nice look at what there is to do. So, look at me squinting. And all of us squinted up. So, whatever you're doing in the baking hot sunshine this afternoon, we hope that you're having a lovely time. Would you like to add anything, Chrissy?
No,
Comedy partner?
I'm not a comedy.
You are.
I'm not.
You are. You're very
No.
funny.
I'm not.
You are.
I don't know why you keep telling me that.
You are.
Kevin's always
She's
saying,
funny.
"Oh, you are funny."
Do you think she's
Think she-
funny?
It means
No, not loopy funny. If you think she's funny, viewers,
I'm not.
pop a comment underneath because I
I'm
don't
not
think
even-
she believes me.
I'm not even trying to be funny.
That's
I'm
the
being
point.
me.
That's the point. Anyway, comedy partner, have you got anything to add?
I don't think so. I think we'll sojourn out
Yes.
of this heat.
Oh, that's if we've not dissolved by the time we've eaten the dissolved chocolate. We'll see you later. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to sign up for your newsletter.
Bye bye.
See you soon.